Welcome back. How about we get another check of weather with our Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist, Dan Cianca. Hey, Dan.
Hey there, Austin. All eyes on the tropics, really, depending, it doesn't even matter what coast you're on, to be honest. Let's take a look at this giant look at the globe, kind of the western and eastern hemisphere. There's multiple hemispheres involved. It's northern and southern, all the hemispheres, really, in this particular image. But we've got a hurricane out here in the Atlantic. This is Lee. Folks on the eastern seaboard keeping an eye on Lee. It's expected to head off to the west, northwest, and eventually kind of start making a curve. Will it impact the eastern seaboard? Too soon to tell. Look at this one right here. This is Hurricane Hova. This is a monster. This is quite the storm. It was a tropical storm yesterday. It is a Category 5 hurricane. Intense lightning right around the eye of the hurricane. Can't even keep up, but there is intense lightning right around the eye of this pinhole eye of this massive hurricane out in the eastern Pacific. This is a very, very strong storm. 160 mile per hour sustained winds, unbelievable wind speeds. Moving off to the west northwest at 15 miles per hour. It will stay on that course, probably staying as a Cat 5 hurricane tomorrow, then slowly fading and losing strength as it heads out into the open waters of the Pacific. It will not make landfall anywhere, so we're not worried about that, but some of Hova's moisture might make it here to the central coast. There are two opportunities for this, and let's talk about that. Big ridge of high pressure right over West Texas, maybe Truth or Consequences, New Mexico right now. Okay, this is moving to the west. We have clockwise flow around the high. It probably grabs a little of this moisture and pushes it up toward the central coast as we head into the day Saturday. Maybe as early as Friday we see a few high clouds, but the model is showing just a couple little blips right here. You see those? So we're watching for a little bit of potential precipitation on Saturday. I do not have rain in the forecast for Saturday just yet. We're just starting to see this on a few models, but it's something I'm watching very closely. In the meantime, the ridge moving to the west is going to warm us up quite a bit this weekend, by the way. That's another thing we're watching. But it also kind of blocks the moisture beyond that. So we will have some high clouds at least Sunday, Monday, and stay pretty warm. But the ridge will have to fade a little bit. Monday into Tuesday, we get a little trough digging here that may pull up some more moisture. That is the remnants right there of Hova, by the way. Pull up some moisture. Some models showing some back in our vicinity as we head into the day Tuesday afternoon. So two potential opportunities. One on Saturday, one on Tuesday, of seeing some of this moisture. This is a developing weather situation, my friends. We're just starting to see some of this as Hova really getting pretty strong out there and putting a lot of moisture into the mid and upper levels. So again, we'll be watching that. No rain in the forecast just yet, but there is some potential. We may have to adjust that forecast tomorrow, so make sure to tune in, especially if you have outdoor plans as we heading into the weekend and beyond. In the meantime, overnight tonight, low clouds eventually filling back in. It'll take some time. They're not there yet, but by tomorrow morning, I suspect we'll have clouds in the valleys and on the coast, but they'll quickly fade back to the coast into the afternoon. And unlike today, where we had southwesterly winds kind of blowing clouds into Santa Cruz, winds will shift more to the northwest tomorrow. So Santa Cruz, you'll be the first to clear out tomorrow with clouds lingering on the south and east sides of the bay throughout the afternoon. Maybe some breaks here and there with some sunshine. East side of Monterey, south side of Seaside, lots of sides there. Delray Oaks side, because you're in the side of all those sides. Yeah, you have a chance of seeing some sunshine as well, but some other areas will be a little bit cloudier. We'll get a little swirl of wind back up towards Santa Cruz late, but Santa Cruz will be warmer than Monterey tomorrow. It was different today, obviously. So let's talk about those temperatures. On your Thursday, we're back into the 80s in the Santa Cruz Mountains. We got out of them today. Now, it was warmer than I expected across much of Santa Cruz County today. I had all of you in the 60s today. We did get into the mid-70s in Boulder Creek, but you'll be in the mid-80s tomorrow, so much warmer. 83 in Ben Lomond, 80 in Scotts Valley, 70s down on the coast. Should be a gorgeous day. Not too hot, not too cold, just like the porridge the Goldilocks stoled. And that kind of rhymed. 70 Watsonville, Aptos, Rio Del Mar, right in that neck of the woods. 72 in Salinas. Mid-60s, though, in Castroville, Marina, where you're more likely to see clouds. 80s, Santa Clara Valley down to Hollister. San Juan, right in between. Just always right in between at San Juan Bautista. Over to the peninsula, temperatures staying in the 60s tomorrow. You'll have clouds, maybe a little splash of sunshine in the side area that we talked about right there. Down south, right from the coast, will be in the 80s. Nearer the coast, you'll be in the 70s. But all of us will be heading upward into the weekend, as we see on that 7-day forecast. We'll jump up a couple more degrees Friday, and then more notable increase in temperatures on Saturday. But by late Friday into Saturday, we'll see those high clouds arrive. We're watching that tropical moisture on Saturday. Maybe a shower or two out there. Not seeing any heavy rain indicators, but maybe a shower or two. Not even really seeing any thunderstorm indicators. Maybe a shower or two. We're going to have to adjust that forecast tomorrow. We'll see what happens to the models overnight. Beyond that, another warm day Sunday before slight cooling into early next week when the clouds will thicken and it'll feel more like fog-tember. Is that a thing? Inland areas also slowly warming up for the next couple of days, kind of peaking this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, then cooling off again. 2 days of note, Saturday, Tuesday. We're watching for rain chances. Stay tuned to the forecast. Back to you.
Definitely be watching that closely. Thank you so much, Dan.